Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a dot grid notebook. These notebooks are incredibly versatile, offering a unique blend of structure and freedom. Unlike traditional lined or graph paper, the subtle dot pattern provides just enough guidance for your writing, drawing, or planning without being intrusive. It's perfect for those who love to customize their pages and explore their creativity. Dot grid notebooks excel in planning and organization. You can easily create custom layouts for your daily schedules, weekly overviews, or monthly calendars. The dots act as a subtle guide, helping you draw straight lines and perfectly aligned boxes for your to-do lists and trackers. This flexibility allows you to design a system that perfectly fits your personal or professional needs, keeping everything neat and organized. For creative minds, dot grid notebooks are a dream come true. They are the foundation of many bullet journaling systems, enabling you to design unique spreads for logging thoughts, habits, and goals. The dots provide excellent guidance for sketching, drawing diagrams, and practicing hand lettering, ensuring your creations are precise and visually appealing. It's a fantastic tool for expressing your creativity and making your notes truly your own. To get the most out of your dot grid notebook, try a few simple tips. Experiment with different pens and markers to see what works best for your style. A ruler can be your best friend for creating perfectly straight lines and structured sections. Remember, there's no single right way to use it. Embrace the freedom to customize and make it uniquely yours. Have fun exploring all the possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.